I'm on my way to the top. The clear if you think that I'm not. Claiming that spot. Straight out the pot. 400 degrees. Can't tell me I'm hot. They know me can't.
It's a good thing I was recording because I was able to see what just happened.
I know what you're thinking. Who is this dude that just messed this up so bad? Well, let's go back. I'll show you exactly who that is.
So I actually drove that freaking pin. So that's the pin. So that pin actually went on top. I don't know how. You see that pin right there? That pin went on top of this latch here. And it just sounded real bad. So we're gonna do what I should have done the first time and actually lower this down. All right. So we should be low enough now. I'm gonna actually put y'all down so you can see it. Now you should hear it go pop up. There we go. That's it right there. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're still not latched. Now, I don't know, my fifth was funny. It likes to go in at a certain angle. That wasn't it either, huh? I turn the wheel to the left. But once it's on there, it's gonna go in. All right, so look, that got it. So we hooked in. So let's go back and I'll show you how it looks when it's hooked. All right, now see how it hooked? Our handle was in. That handle was extended before, and if you look right there, you'll see that pin right there, that was all the way out.